Hello everybody. We're at Walmart on this nice, lovely summer day. Yes, I am at Walmart. I just went to open up my app. I need 54 rebates to get the $10 carnival bonus. Not gonna happen. And then for the weekend warrior, which yesterday it was the weekly warrior, I needed 15 rebates for $5. Today I need 15 rebates for $1. So I don't think I'm even gonna hit the 15 rebates because this month is just not the greatest for Ibotta. And that is okay. It's usually June is when it's kind of slow. And that is okay because everybody's busy doing this and that and all that stuff. But I'm here to help you guys save some money. But yeah, the list is not very long. I always get to Walmart around 8 in the morning. And then what I do is I go to Goodwill that's just right in the same parking lot. I go there, they open at 9, and then I'm always looking for bargain books for myself or my kids. I just hit reading 100 books this year, you guys. 100 books. I'm at 104 already. Anyways, so I always go there, and then my other thrift store down the street, it doesn't open until 10, so I always like to stall when I'm at Walmart. So hopefully we can get some good stuff and I don't have to sit in the parking lot and wait for the one store to open. But I'm excited to go shopping today. Thursdays are the days where I'm kid-free. We get to do some stuff. Update video, I will be making an update video. We got one thing I'm waiting for before I tell you guys what the heck is going on. But there's just a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff is going on in my life, and I'm excited to share with you guys on some of the stuff that is happening. But we just gotta wait it out a little bit longer before I give you guys a life update video, and a lot of it will change how you guys watch me and everything in a good way, hopefully. But anyways, let's go inside Walmart and have some fun. I'm excited to look for Halloween stuff if they have any. I went to a different Walmart last week and I found Ghostface pants and another Ghostface shirt. Yes, I'm even going to probably get a Ghostface tattoo. Why not? Because I love Ghostface. He's one of my favorite things and I love collecting them. So let's go inside and have some fun. So here we have the Crest 3D, the Arctic Fresh. These are $4.97. I ended up scanning a bunch of these, but this one is $4.97. You will pay $4.97 for it. But there's 2 rebates that are popping up for Ibotta. You get a $3 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1, and then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1. So you get $5 back with Ibotta, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Optic White 360 toothbrushes. These are $4.96. Now you can buy one of them and you can pay $4.96. There is $1.50 back that you get with swag bucks. You also get $1.24 back with checkout 51, and then you get a limit of 1 with Ibotta for $2 back, making this just 22 cents for this toothbrush. Or if you guys want to buy 2 of them, because I rarely get these kind of toothbrushes when I go to Walgreens, but you could get 2 of them for $4.96. So together you will pay $9.92. You get the $2 back with Ibotta. You'll get $1.24 times 2 with checkout 51. But with swag bucks you will receive $4 back. Now I did read the small print and it does show that you can get the 1 brush. But if you get 2 of them, you'll end up getting 2 of them for $1.44 or just 72 cents, which is still a great deal if you guys need some toothbrushes. So I'm going to get 2 of them because my husband likes these toothbrushes, and why not? So here we have the Dove Shampoo Intense Repair, and then we also have the conditioner. These are both $8.46. You're gonna pay $8.46 for it, but then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5. And then there is some Shopkick deals where you get 1,150 kicks for purchasing and then 25 kicks for scanning, which is 1,175 points, which is $4.70. But together you're gonna pay $8.46. You get $2 back and $4.70. These come out to be just $1.76, which I think is an awesome deal. You can just do the Ibotta deal for this and it comes out to be $1.98. So this is a better deal and you get twice as much, so yes. So I am in the sporting goods section, and we have this little baby bottle. The 4-ounce stem repels mosquitoes for $4.48. Now there is a Ibotta rebate for $2.50, and then we have a Shopium up to your discretion for $2.50. So you get $5 back, making this a 52-cent moneymaker for that little baby bottle. So here's an awesome deal on some dog food, and I'm giving these to my neighbors because they absolutely love it when I can give them some deals. So we have the Caesar dog food. All these are $1.14. Now make sure you scan them in the apps to make sure what goes where, or to make sure like the Ibotta ones are approved and the Shopium ones. But with Ibotta, we get I have a $2 off when you buy 3 of them, and here we're gonna buy 8. We're gonna buy 8 of these ones, but we have a 2 off of 3, and then we also have a $4 off when you buy 5. And then I have with Fetch Rewards, if you spend $10, you get 3,000 points, and then with Shop Kicks, you get 100 kicks for every one that you buy with a limit of 10, which is 40 cents. And then I didn't even factor in the 30 cents that I got for scanning it and the 5 kick bonus for watching a video. But you do get 10 kicks for everyone, or 100 kicks for everyone that you get. That's 40 cents. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 8 of them. 8 of them, you will pay $10.26 for 8 of them. Or 9 of them, I meant 9, sorry. 9 of them. $10.26. You're gonna get 40 cents back times 9 with Shopkick. And then you guys will also get 3,000 points because you're spending $10. And you get $4 back with Shopium, and you get $2 back with Ibotta, making this a $2.34 moneymaker for 9 of them. I am not doing this deal, but Persil, the Mighty Packs are marked down to $4.77. The liquid is not, but just the pods, but they're $4.77. And then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate that you guys could do, making this just $2.77 for a 16 count. So 16 washes for $2.77. This is another reset for me. We have the spray and wash for $2.98. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 3. You can get these for just 98 cents. I've been just getting one a week, but definitely an awesome deal if you guys need some spray and wash. So my store has a lot of like Airwick products on clearance. Make sure you guys are checking that stuff out. I'm gonna still see if there's any rebates that I can find to match up with it. But here we have the Airwick, just the plug-in thing, for $3.98. You'd pay $3.98 for it. But there is a $3 Ibotta rebate, making this just 98 cents with a limit of 3. My store finally has the Raid Max in stock. These are $5.47. There is an Ibotta rebate that is ending soon for $3 back with a limit at 2. And then there is a Shopium rebate for $1 back. You guys would just get this for $1.47. I'm having ants coming in my house, so I'm trying to keep up with the ants, but $1.47 is a great deal. Okay, you guys, I just found a great, awesome deal on the diapers. So in my clearance aisle, they have these 12 count for like $5 or whatever, and I scanned it and there's no Ibotta rebate. But my store has the 15 count of these diapers, and I scanned the product and they're actually ringing up $3, you guys. $3 for those, okay? So what you're gonna do is you can buy 2 packs, but I'm gonna get 2 packs of them, so they're $3. Then there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, so those are just $1.50 right there. There is a $1.50 off Shopium digital coupon that you guys can submit your receipt to. And then with Shop Kicks, you get 1,200 kicks and 10 points. So 1,210, which is $4.84 with a limit of 2. So if I buy 1 pack and I submit my receipt to Shopium, Ibotta, and Shop Kicks, it comes out to be a $4.84 moneymaker. Now if I buy 2 packs, I'll get one as a $4.84 moneymaker. I only will submit to Ibotta and Shopkick again and it'll be a $3.34 moneymaker. I'm giving these to my neighbor kids, but you guys, a $7, almost $8 profit for buying little swimmer diapers, and make sure they are the 15 count. So I'm just gonna quick share with you guys this deal, since I've been doing this deal every single week. The Rockstar is $1.88. You'll buy 2 of them and pay $3.76. There's a deal where if you get 2 of them, you get a $5 PayPal, which makes it $1.24 moneymaker if you guys are looking at those. Hello, 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 everybody. Yes, Walmart. Awesome, I loved it. I had a lot of money makers, some really great deals. I was telling the cashier, I'm like, yep, I'm getting these diapers for my one neighbor. I'm getting all this dog food for my other neighbor. Like, you know, it's fun. It's fun. Anyways, my total for all those items that I got, I got everything except the Persil. I don't use the pods very often. I like the liquid, and I have a lot of it anyway, so it was okay to pass up on that deal. But for everything that I shared with you guys, I got everything for $71.23. $71.23, it's crazy. But I did receive $26.50 back with Ibotta. I did get 10 Ibotta rebates, so $26.50. With Shopkicks, I received 5,690 kicks, which is $22.76. $22.76 from Shopkick. Yes, Amazon Prime Day is coming up soon, and I'm gonna start redeeming some of my gift cards for like Fetch and Shopkick, so I can maybe get some stuff for Amazon Prime, but that's when I like it, when I can get money like that. Shopium, I did receive $9 back for purchasing those items. Checkout 51, I will be getting $2.48 back. Swag Bucks, I did receive $4 back for the 2 toothbrushes that I bought. And then Fetch Rewards, I got 3,000 points for the dog food. I did want to go and get the Sir Kensington's sauce, but my store did not carry that, which is okay. It's okay. But and then I will be getting $5 for the Rockstar deal. I've been sharing with you guys that every single week. If you guys haven't done it already, you pretty much know that. And then I did receive a 25-cent bonus for the Crest deal. So everything that I got, I didn't count how many items I got, but everything that I got ended up becoming a money maker. I got everything for $1.76 money maker. $1.76 money maker, which I love it. I haven't had a money maker at Walmart since like I got that like $50 or $25 bonus or whatever. But this was a pretty great deal. I'm excited for the diaper deal, and I'm excited for the dog food. I'm excited to give those to my neighbors. But if you guys enjoyed this little shopping trip at Walmart, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Next week it's supposed to be July, and 4th of July is on Thursday. I might do a video either the day before or on 4th of July. I might do it on Wednesday because it all depends. There's a parade usually in the morning on 4th of July. So we will see. We will see. We'll play by ear and see what happens. But I will definitely do a video either on Wednesday or Thursday. So hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend. It's going to be a great weather for us. Today it's finally like cooled enough where we can open our windows. But I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.